Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be disassembling the Dell Inspiron 530S slimline form factor desktop computer. First thing you're going to want to do is take off the two thumb screws. There's one here, there is one here, but mine's missing that. Take off the side cover. Then you're going to take off the front cover bezel. Remove all these clips. It will come off like that. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do is remove all your drives. Pull forward on this metal clip. Well, first unplug your SATA power, SATA data, and then you're going to want to push backwards on this clip towards you and then just pull the drive out. Put that to the side. Next thing you want to do is, if present within the system, remove your 3.5-inch bay drive. Here I currently have a 3.5-inch floppy disk drive installed. Pull it out. Remove the 34-pin floppy drive connector and then put your floppy drive to the side. Remove the ribbon cable connector from the motherboard. Next thing you want to do is remove your boot drive or any hard disk drives installed within the system. Got a solid state drive installed here. Remove that. Put that to the side. Next thing you want to do is remove the SATA cables that you can remove. Put those to the side also. Alright, next thing you want to do, remove your RAM sticks. Then you're going to want to remove your expansion cards by pulling this up. Remove your Ethernet card here, if present within the system, and your dial-up modem card, if present within the system. Alright, next remove your ATX power connectors, CPU power remove, and then 24-pin power. There. Then on the back side of the power supply unit, you are going to want to take out these 3 screws in the back. That's one. Number 2. And then number 3. Now remember, this power supply is actually a standard power supply, even though a lot of power supplies in these Dell HP pre-builds are proprietary. This one is actually modular, so this machine can have its case swapped. Next, you're going to want to slide back and then slide up your power supply unit. Put that somewhere to the side. So you can see my hands have gotten very dusty. This is a very filthy machine. Remove all your front panel headers, USB headers. Make sure you keep track of where they go. Your other USB header. Then you're gonna wanna remove the heatsink, unplug the fan header. And then move your heatsink. Then you have your microprocessor here. Now there was usually a case fan here, but I did a fan mod where I put this little fan on top of the, I believe this is the, I didn't remember. I don't know if this is the north or south bridge, but I do know that the heatsink for the either the north or south bridge was getting really hot. And I had decided to put this fan in here to cool it down, and performance has actually improved quite a bit. I digress. Now you're gonna want to remove all the screws along the motherboard. And then put them to the side. All right, now that that's done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your motherboard out. And put it somewhere off to the side. Then you have your empty chassis here, which I will be cleaning up because there's a lot of dust and dirt on it. Thank you for watching my teardown video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.